soon as you walk in, you will see the living room, and you have your easy units there, and the window curtain onto the top. So this is the living room. So this is more like a semi condo style, and you have that TV. It's an old TV, and a mirror to your left. One is your kitchen area. It has the island and 4 tables. You have stove, oven, full cabinets, and microwave, and a full fridge. So that's really nice. We have leftover pizza there. That's the main door. We walk in, it's the living room. Then over here to the right of the living room, a 1-bedroom with 2 queen bed. It's very comfortable bed, and you got a TV and then a desk over there. Really nice bedroom. You can also lock that door. And over here you got the bathroom. This is the closet, and it's a big closet, an extra pillow here, and then you have sink, and then you have your built-in blow dryer. And so I just woke up and we're about to check out, so I thought I'll show you around. And this is another room, is your shower. It's okay, it's an okay size. I like the pressure of the water there compared to most hotels. And this is another sink just beside the toilet. So, and that's the mirror, what it looks like from the bathroom. And you have door to, if you want privacy, if you have another person with you. You can also go up to here if you wanna close it later on. It is a black, I forgot what this one called, but yeah, people won't see you inside at night. But daytime, this is what it looks like. You can be open as well. So let's get out from here and look at this view from the outside. This is what you're seeing. That's our room right there, right? This is your bed, and then you can just look out. This is by the dock, and that's my husband right there. And we already took our stuff because we're about to check out. And so that's your main door. You also have a sliding door here, so you can walk right in or out. And this one, each room, I noticed that they have 1 table that you can dine in outside, which is very nice, because who doesn't want to enjoy this view? Today is a little bit cold, so we're probably not gonna go swimming at the beach, but I wore my jacket. And again, this is a last minute decision when me and my husband went swimming yesterday. The other side is facing to the front of the hotel, so it's very nice, super relaxing. We only stay here for 1 night. I highly recommend you guys should stay here, because it's a very nice area, and you have restaurant nearby. I'll show you if I can. We're just walking out. See, you can't see inside if you use that curtain. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this hotel comes with a putt-putt golf here. It's really nice. It's kind of old looking, even the bedroom, and you have the vending machine, elevator, and you got lobby on this side here. So that's the lobby there, and you have more putt-putt golf. And they actually have restaurant over there too. This is the main lobby. That's the pool over there. And we have, if you run out parking in the garage, you actually have to park over there across the street, which is what we did last night, because we didn't have parking in the garage. So this is the garage area here, see? Yeah, there's no way. There's not, yeah, there's two garage. But I'll just show you this one. That's what it looks like. And there's another one to the outside, but if you run out of room, you have to park here. That belongs to the Holiday Inn. It's so windy right now and it is cold, so it's good that we actually didn't dress up with the swimwear because it is cold. So windy, and this is what it looks like the other side without the water view. Still really nice, so I guess it is 2-story. So across the lobby, this is the entrance where the pool at. So you just go across the lobby. I need your key to get in. And no one is swimming because it's cold. Yeah, it's quite small, huh? So this is their pool area. It's small. It's not that, oh, they got 6 feet. So it's not, yeah. They have a tub right there. It's the other side. So we thought that we will show you the restaurant. We do have a game room here. So this is a perfect to stay with your kids because there is a lot to do inside the hotel itself. They have game room and they have a small, like a souvenir shop inside as well. So, and this is the restaurant. That's just the end of the hotel. Last night they actually had a live band here. There. But look at that other resort. We are so curious about that resort because they have like a slide. It's like a theme park. Why are you running? We are leaving now. So if you walk to the right, there's like a multiple restaurant down the street. So you would walk about 5 minutes, about 5 minutes or so to walk. Like the end of that road, there's that multiple restaurants. This is one way, so I can't show you guys, sorry. But yeah, there is a bunch of restaurants around the area, so if you don't have a problem, it's really a nice place. And you got CVS over here. So, and that's another restaurant here. It's really nice. It's really a nice place to stay. So that's the beach area there. You go walk right straight to the main entrance of Holiday Inn. You can see, you can walk all the way down. So right now it is 11:34. It looks like everyone is either checking out or going for lunch because it's traffic. And it seems like if you are in Tampa, I don't know, maybe because this time of the year is a spring break, but keep in mind that if you are around Tampa, traffic could be bad. Finding a parking, it could be bad. So keep that in mind because I'm speaking from the experience. And yes, we had to run to our reservation just to make it there. So yeah. So this is the end of our Holiday Inn. So this is the area of the Holiday Inn. It's really nice. They have that cute ice cream shop there. So this is the end. I'll see you on my next one.